What is up, you guys? Today is race day. I'm racing Chi-Town half marathon. This is the outfit. I'm gonna drink a coffee, make some eggs. I think it might be raining. That's great. It's 6 a.m. So let's get it. 2 hours in the rain. I just woke up. Let's get it.
I had to ice my knee after the race because I've been having knee problems every time I do a long run. I am getting it checked out, no worries. And I was so happy because for dinner we had KBBQ and I got ice cream.